Judge's dialogue. You had a car you wanted to sell, and that was about 2 years ago? Yes. What kind of car was it? When had you purchased the car, Mr. Cole? Was in 2012. Who did you purchase it from? Rami Chevrolet car lot. And you paid them cash for it? Financed it with whom? Tri-Cities Financial. How much did you finance? And what were your monthly payments? $250. And that was 6 months before you sold it to her. Is that right? Yes. Because you sold it to her in what month? When was it? November 26th, 2012, correct? So you paid $5,300 for the car. You drove it for 6 months, correct? And then you sold it to her for $5,800? You're the only person I know whose car after 6 months appreciates in value, Mr. Cole. Do you know where I'm going, sir? Emicham, do you know where I'm going? Not even diamonds appreciate that way. Already, I'm not liking you, Mr. Cole. I just want to tell you that. Doesn't mean I'm necessarily not going to rule in your favor, because judges are supposed to be impartial. But right now it doesn't look good for you. You're a car salesman, but this was your own personal car you sold to her. And how much was the loan on the car? $5,300. So you put down nothing, correct? So you put down nothing, you drove it for 6 months, and you sold it for more money to put in your pocket. When you sold her the car, did you give her the title? Did the title include the fact that there was a lien on the car from financial? Does that sound right to you? You bought it in September? I know you're standing there all by yourself without a piece of paper or anything. Now how much money did she give you in November of 2012 for the car, sir? Look, don't look over there. I want you to be very careful with me. Yes, because you know I have ways of gathering information. Where do you work now? Well, how do you support yourself? How do you support yourself is my question.
Defendant's dialogue. 2004 mine, Carlo. Was in 2012. Who did you purchase it from? Rami Chevrolet car lot. No, I financed it. Financed it with whom? Tri-Cities Financial. I'm thinking roughly around $5,300. $250. Yes, Judge, I'm thinking it was September or October. $5,800, correct. I'm a car salesman. They're not well liked. No. Yes. She gave me $500. I'm not working. I'm not working at the present time. I'm looking for a job right now. I'm living with my mother and father. December. Yes, when I was incarcerated from December the 13th to June the 17th. I was charged with distribution and narcotics. Yes, all of them. Yes. No, there was a plea. I took a plea to possession. I got 3 years probation. Gave me $500 the first night. And then $2,000 when she come back and picked the car up on the following Monday. No, I have...
How do you support yourself is my question. When was the last time you worked? Were you in jail? For what? Don't look over there, look over here. Were those charges dismissed? All of them? Yes. No plea? You took a plea and got time served? There wasn't a sentence with it. You mean he said goodbye and thank you? Have a nice life? Well, that's a sentence, sir. Yes, you were sentenced to time served, the 6 months that you served in jail, plus 3 years probation. How much money did she give you? So according to you, she gave you $2,500, correct? About half of what you had paid for the car, correct? After driving it for 6 months. Now you have $2,500 in your pocket, correct? And you don't make any more payments to financial? You stopped making payments to financial, correct?